Alexa allows you to place calls, ask the time, get news, convert currencies, set timer, manage your smart home, and a variety of functions. In this video, I'll be showing you how can you install Amazon Alexa on your Android smartphone. So let's not waste any more time and let's get straight into the video. Hello guys, I'm Shekhar and you're watching TechInc. The very first step to install Alexa on your Android smartphone is to go on Google Play Store and you need to search for Alexa. I have already installed it, so you just need to click on download and wait till it gets downloaded. Now tap on the Alexa icon to open the app. You will need to log into your Amazon existing account or make the new account. I have already logged into my account. Now you can access Alexa by tapping here and saying and asking anything to Alexa. You can access Alexa by just tapping on the Alexa icon and asking what you need. For example, I am asking Alexa to play a song. So you just need to tap on the icon and say what you need. Alexa, play a song. So you can see that Alexa had played a song for us. You can do anything as you wish. You can make a call, you can add an alarm, you can start making a shopping list, you can also create a reminder. You can also set up Alexa as a default voice assistant on your smartphone. Like I have set up Alexa as my default smartphone. You just need to tap on the home screen and search for whatever you guys want. Alexa, what is the weather today?
It's 26 degrees Celsius with cloudy skies. Today, you can expect thunderstorms with a high of 27 degrees and a low of 25 degrees.
Thank you.
You're very, 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 very welcome.
This sounds great. So this was all for the today's video. If you liked the video, make sure you hit the like button and subscribe the channel for more such videos. So for all that and more, I will see you in the next video.